Hi, I'm Dr. Khurram Shaukat Yusufzai. Today's video is about FAW Carrier Plus Flatbed Pickup, which has a 1000cc engine mated with a 5-speed manual gear. This is made in China by the First Automobile Works, which is manufactured with collaboration of Al-Haj, FAW and Proton Motors of Pakistan. And this is being assembled in Pakistan, and its competition are Changan Flatbed Pickup, DFSK K1, Pak Suzuki Pickup, and Four-Lane Pickup, whose videos are found on my channel, and you can see them to compare with this pickup. This is a flatbed pickup of which 3 sides can be opened by opening the sides walls, left, right and at the back, and it contains many beautiful colors. At the backs are leaf spring which can be adjusted according to the load. In the front is a spring suspension. So the suspension of the Carrier Plus has been improved considering the overloading which the Pakistani people do with any vehicles they possess, breaking the law. So in order to satisfy these customers, FAW has improved the suspension. The side view mirrors are manual. There are crystal lights and fog lamps. The crystal light contains projector headlamps, which is very good, and very nice indicator lamps. In the middle is a nice grille with the FAW logo, which looks pretty nice. At the sides are indicators on the mudguards, and there is a nice blue stripe which goes along the body. If you open the door, there is a manual operation for the windows, unlike the XPV, FAW XPV. There is a logo on the steering of FAW and nice Optitron speedometer which shines around bluish green at night. The multimedia is good for Bluetooth, USB and memory card, and has 2 speakers, and the AC controls and everything is there, but it doesn't have the AC. But if you pay optional, you can have an air conditioner. The seat cloth is fabric, and there are buttons for the fog lamps on the right of the dashboard. So there is a RPM meter, there is fuel gauge, there is temperature gauge and some warning lamps. So it's pretty good, better offering than the Pak Suzuki basic version of the pickup, which was available in Pakistan for decades. There's on the left the wipers control, and on the right is the indicator and the headlights control. There is a glove box which is adequate, and the feel of the dashboard is a bit plasticky. There is a nice toolkit which FAW gives to each and every person who buys their cars. The back view mirror is unadjustable, and there are basic sun visors, 2 seat belts. So that's it about the car, which is having 60 horsepower and 37 liters of fuel comes in its tank. And the fuel lid is on the right below the driver's window. So Carrier Plus would do good in Pakistani market, considering that most of the people are looking for a 1000cc as a budget friendly car. The spare wheel is below the chassis at the back. So I hope you liked my video, and if you want to find more informative videos like this, you have to subscribe, because to find my channel among the billions is very difficult without subscribing. And I would keep you informed about the Pakistani automobile scenario through my informative videos, and I hope to see you soon after you subscribe to my channel. In the end, I will put some specifications of this FAW, so you would be able to compare it with the competition as well as know about its features and everything. The 1000cc engine is Euro 4 compliant with EFI. The Pak Suzuki one used to have a carburetor, but this one does about 14 km per liter, which is good and because of the 5-speed gear, it does well on the motorway to reach 120 kilometers speed if one wants in unloaded condition. And rest, the build quality was good of this car. So I hope you see the specs at the end by pausing it, and I hope you subscribe as well. And I thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you soon. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and goodbye.